One thing, the accountant should have something we call integrity. So it should be a professional accountant should be straightforward, should be honest in all professional and business relationships. Ni ukifanya kazi unakuwa honest. Okay? Yeah, should be honest, straightforward. Si ukiulizwa swali unaweza kupeleka watu kama wale accountants wa kitambo. Bado kidogo, cheki yako bado haijasaidiwa. Sijui vocha sijaiona. No, it should be straightforward in all professional and business relationship. Another thing that we need from accountants is objectivity. And a professional accountant should not allow bias or conflict of interest or undue influence of others to override professional or business judgment. So when you are working as a professional accountant, in your judgment, you should not be biased. You should not allow conflict of interest. And also, professional competence and due care. Professional competence and due care is that a professional accountant has a continuing duty to maintain professional knowledge and skills at the level required to ensure that the client or employer receives competent professional services based on current development in practice, litigation, and techniques. A professional accountant should act diligently and in accordance with applicable technique and professional standards when providing professional services. So whenever you are providing your professional services, either to a client or to an employer, then you should have professional competence. You should keep on updating yourself with the current trends. Unajua finance bill inasema aje this year, so that you don't mislead your tax clients. Okay. Then confidentiality. A professional accountant should respect the confidentiality of information acquired as a result of professional and business relationship and should not disclose any such information to third parties without proper and specific authority, unless there is a legal or a professional right or duty to disclose. That is, you don't have to disclose anything concerning your clients. In the course of your work, you come up a lot of confidential information. We saw an incomplete record of, was it Joyce Jerry? Imagine that was a client anakuja amekupea all those information. Ndio mtengeneze financial statement. Wewe na yeye emotion yako unaanza kwenda kuambia mambo mengine kwa chama. Sisi sheria ndio ndio sijui ilipea mama yake kiasi cha 100,000. Imagine. Sijui confidentiality unless there is a legal or professional right or a duty of care. Sometimes you may be asked by a court to give evidence concerning it. That is the only time you can maybe talk about the confidentiality, where there is a duty of care or there is a legal right. So confidential information acquired as a result of the professional and business relationship should not be used for personal advantage or personal advantage of the professional accountant. So don't use the information that you have gathered from your client for personal advancement. Also, professional behavior. A professional accountant should comply with the relevant laws and regulation and should avoid any action that discredits the profession. You should always be careful. You should have a professional behavior. Sio kama wewe ni accountant tunakutana na wewe kwa skuli kwa chana. Unapeana stories that that's not a professional